Get in the groove. Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to Cape Town on Film. I'm Alistair Yates, and today I've got a very exciting video for you guys about I don't even know, 4 years ago, I picked up this little guy here for 40 Rand. What can you get for 40 Rand these days? Fucking nothing. Okay, this is the Fujifilm Clear Shot Plus. It's the first generation of its kind. I think what they were trying to do is replicate a disposable camera. It's very lightweight, it's very compact, it has a built-in flash, easy to pop in the film here. I've had this camera for 4 years now and I haven't shot it. So today we are doing a So today we're doing a sunrise hike up Lion's Head. We got a little crew together. We're gonna do a little hike ski. We're gonna test the versatility of this bad boy. It's a little bit dark, the sun's gonna rise. I got some beautiful people with me to capture that. And let's see what happens with this camera, yeah? I hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, comment. I love you, bye. Okay, so Gianni had a question regarding whether or not we can capture the texture of the water. You know what the technique's called where you draw? But it's like, what did you say?
Like hatching or cross-hatching?
Cross-hatching?
Something like that?
We can take a photo with this and see if it can capture that, because look, can you see what G's saying? Mad, okay.
It almost looks like a rock from close.
Yeah.
Like that.
It does, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've just finished this roll. I actually just bumped into a guy named Andrew Baxter. Such a good guy. Check out his page on Instagram. I'll share it in the description. And yeah, let me know what you think. But guys, finished it. Gotta take this to Cape Films Flat tomorrow, get it developed, see what's in here, what's happening. Can go two ways. Either they're all gonna come out black, or they're gonna come out epic, and I'm hoping for the latter. But yeah, guys, see you in a bit. Hope you enjoy the photos.